Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you facing the MSVCR110.dll missing error in Windows 11? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix the MSVCR110.dll missing error in Windows 11 quickly and safely using official Microsoft methods. Just follow along and your problem should be fixed in a few minutes. First, open Google Chrome. In the search box, type Microsoft Visual C Redistributable and then press enter. From the search results, open the first official Microsoft link. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find the download section. From this section, download both files. Click on each file and the download will start automatically. Please wait until both downloads are finished. After the download is complete, go to the Downloads folder and double-click on the first downloaded file. If the program is already installed on your computer, you will see a pop-up window. Click on Uninstall, then click Yes to confirm. Wait until the uninstall process is finished, then click Close. Now, repeat the same steps for the other file. After uninstalling both files, restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, go back to the Downloads folder. Find the same files that you downloaded earlier. Now, to install them again, double-click on the first file. Accept the license agreement by placing a check mark, then click Install. Click Yes if asked for permission. After the installation is complete, click Close. Next, install the second file using the same steps. After installing both files, restart your computer one more time. Once the restart is complete, your MSVCR110.dll missing error in Windows 11 should be fixed. That's it. Your problem should now be solved. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes.